Hello kids, how are you all? So welcome back to your English cursive writing classes of standard 2, and today we are going to begin with video number 33, and we are dealing with worksheets number 51 and 52. So I hope you are practicing at home and you have gained a very good handwriting. So now we are going to listen to some of the sentences. Some sentences are just morals for your life and some are just facts. So now let's see what are the two sentences waiting for us in page number 51. In page number 51, the first sentence is, always walk on the footpath. What does that sentence means? What happens when you walk right straight on the road, right in the middle of the road? What happens? There are possibility for accidents to happen. You will definitely meet with an accident, isn't it? Okay, so you are supposed to walk safely on the footpath, isn't it, children? So that is our first sentence. Always walk on the footpath. The second sentence is, climbers cannot grow straight. What are climbers? It's a kind of plants which has got weak roots and it climbs. Its roots and its stem are not strong as of a tree. It needs support to grow, isn't it? For example, bitter gourd. Have you seen bitter gourd? So it needs a support to grow, isn't it? And it cannot grow straight. Understood? So climbers cannot grow straight. So these are the sentences in page number 51. Now let's see how to put these letters and words which makes a sentence into our 4-line in our cursive writing. Okay, let's see. Always walk on the footpath. I'm beginning with capital A. Children, write slantingly and beautifully. Touch the lines and write. This is A and I'm beginning L, W, A, Y, S. The loop of S should go above the second line and there should always be a ending tail. Always walk. Now the front tail, W, A, L, K. See the loop of K? Very good. Walk on the O, N, on the T, H, E, the footpath. So F, O, O, T. T shouldn't touch the first line. Now P. P should touch all the line and T, and here goes your H. Cut for T and over here also, and do not forget to put the full stop, children. Now moving on to the second sentence, climbers cannot grow straight. We are beginning with capital C, L, I, N, B, E, R, S. The loop of R and the loop of S should go above the second line, and do not forget to put the dot for I. Climbers cannot. C, A, N, N, O, T, cannot grow straight. Grow. G, R, O, W, grow straight. S, be careful with the loop of S. T, don't touch the first line. Now R, loop should go out. A, I, G, H, T, straight. Dot. Here you have to put the full stop, dot for the I and put the cut for T. Now moving on to page number 52, here again we have two more sentences. Now let's listen to what these sentences are. Machines make our work easy. Machines make our work easy, isn't it, children? Compared to the earlier times where your grandfather and great-great-grandfathers lived, here our lives are made easy by the use of machines. For washing, for grinding, and for any kind of purposes we take the help of machines, isn't it? For example, mixing grinder, and then washing machine, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so machines have made our life much easier, isn't it? So machines make our work easy. That's our first sentence. And for the second sentence we have, look before you leave. What is that? Look before you leave. In another word, I can say this as, think twice before you take any decision. Either if you want to speak, or you are doing something which maybe you are playing with your friends, or maybe you are helping your mothers, or maybe, for example, in an examination, if you doesn't know the answer, you just leave it, isn't it? Before taking the decision to copy, you have to think twice. Is that good? Is that good to do, children? No, it is not. You should never copy during your examination. If you doesn't know the answer, just tell the teacher, or you just leave the answer. That's it. That's the right way to do. So, every time before taking a decision, you have to think whether your decision is going to be right or wrong. So, every time before you do something, you have to think twice. So, that is what we have here. Look before you leave. Now, let's put these into the 4 lines. So, here we begin with capital letter M. Continue with the next letter A, C, H, I, M, E, S, machines, and do not forget to put the dot for I. Make, M, A, K, E, may, R. Either you can say R or our. O, U, R, our. Work. W, O, R, K, work. Easy. E, A, S, Y, easy, and then put the full stop. And the last sentence in this video is, look before you leave. So, we are beginning with capital letter L. L, O, O, K. Children, be careful when you write both the loops of L. Okay, it should look beautiful. Now, here's another letter B, E. See the formation of B and E. Now, F, touching all the lines. O, R, E, before. Look before you. Y, O, U, U. Leap. L, E, A, P, leap, and then put the full stop. So, children, these are the 4 sentences for today. If you need, you can learn these sentences as well, and then please do practicing this at home also. So, that is all for this class. See you all in the next class, and stay safe at home, children. Bye bye.